So at this point, let's go ahead and execute the test case. So we'll do the first 3 steps that we did before, finding the phone icon, opening and closing the menu. At that point, we'll enter the scenarios. I'm going to go simply into Start Debugging. And go ahead and begin the debug mode. As you see in the console, it's logging all the actions. You should be able to see in the device pane it manipulating the menu icon. And then going back. And now I'm going into initiate a phone call after verifying the SIM is not present. So it's calling a cell phone number and validating that the mobile network is not available. At this point, we will navigate to a URL via Wi-Fi. Even though I don't have a SIM, I still have data connection. Once it gets to bsquare.com, it'll actually verify the logo on the top of the website. At this point, users may be wanting to verify dynamic data or content within a website compared to how it was represented on a mobile device. This is a use case example. Third step is to simply add a contact. So we go to create a new contact. Please note that if the contact's icon was to move anywhere within that menu, it is searching the full screen, so it will find it properly and tap on it, so I do not have to handle that. Once I'm here, I'm searching for the text string first name, and then once that's available, I'll click on that, enter the text, and then proceed to hide the keyboard, search for last name. Once it finds last name, it'll select that, enter the text, hide the keyboard, and then it'll modify to the mobile phone number and enter that mobile phone number improperly. It'll save the contact and navigate back to the home page. The fourth test case is searching for the calculator. At this point, it's fairly simple where it's entering 2. Searches for the plus sign. Once again, the full screen, so if it changes arrangement, I can do that. Otherwise, I can be specific where it has to be in the bottom right. Upon completion of the operand, it will verify that 6 is the sum, so it's reading the text from the screen and doing a string comparison against that. At that point, the test case is complete, and I've successfully run my automation. The automation then can be deployed through a deployment tool provided by TestQuest 10, which allows you to package up your solution and move that to many different machines. So as I develop my test cases, I can take the deployment package, distribute that through to other machines, and run unattended testing on the test runner machines as well.